Hi guys, coming up we've got our 3D print of the week displayed here. More on that later. We've got our project of the week.
Concealed behind this ZX Spectrum, which we will be doing a retro game on our ZX Spectrum later. Nemesis.
So look out for that.
Look out for that. Project of the week is something seasonal. Do you want to tell me what it includes?
So we've got microcontrollers, bit of coding, circuitry, we've got flashing lights, animated displays.
So for those of you who are current subscribers, you will... a little clue, something to do with Clive, one of our...
Yeah, not Clive Sinclair though.
Yeah. Should we just roll the intro?
Yeah,
why don't you guess what the
project of the week is while we roll the intro.
So as you can see, 3D print of the week is here. We've got a 3D printed bottom, and it's a sweet dispenser with a mason jar at the top. And before we go on more about this 3D print of the week, should we just take a past look at a few of the ones we've already done? We've had some really good ones recently. We've had like the car scent dispenser, which was a little fan that came filled with aftershave, and our car stinks of his aftershave. Little mouse, butterfly.
We've got butterfly,
yeah, butterfly. We used to do
guitar stands,
yeah.
Weapons, like you say,
and originally in our past live streams we also had weapons as well, but we've moved on to some other different and more fun designs. Should we have a little look at our
our sweet dispenser. Here it is, 3D print of the week. So it's a sweet dispenser, printed 3 parts. We've got the little turny bit, the pin and the main thing, along with a jar that you're meant to screw on the top. So let's assemble it. First things first, that's where the sweets will fall. Goes inside here. You can see inside, when I twist it, it'll push the sweets out.
Perfect.
To keep that in place, we've got a pin. And we just slot the pin in here, so it goes through this hole and into the hole inside that turny thing. So now it's not going to come loose.
Okay.
And then now we have our sweets that we put in our jar.
We've got some Smarties. I love these, are my favourite.
I'll have to open up another one as well.
Make my The orange ones are the best actually.
God, we're getting scammed. It's only up to there.
Oh really? Oh my gosh, wait, there's not many in that pack. Okay, that's probably enough.
Oh, drop one on the floor.
Okay, I'll eat that one.
So, twist it on.
Perfect. Okay. Oh, look at that.
And then, give it a twist.
Yay.
Get some sweets. So, I've just gone to the shops and bought some peppermint tea. Not because I want peppermint tea, but because I think the jar looks cooler than this anyway. So I'm just gonna take the label off. I've also got some M&Ms because it's my favourite treat. I like them more than Smarties, so we're gonna fill this up with M&Ms and replace this old jar that we just clean up the sides though. Okay, so I've just cleaned up the jar. Let's empty the peppermint tea. I've never tried it before, so actually.
Oh, they're fancy tea bags.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look how fancy the tea bags are.
Ironically, we were looking at empty jars and they cost more than these filled jars, so that's quite strange. Anyway, I'm going to try one. Put it in there. Not sink.
What type of tea is it?
Peppermint. Anyway, I'll empty the rest. Just put it all here for now. Come on. I think they're going to smell like peppermint. Nice. I'll give it a little rinse.
Can I smell? Oh, it smells quite nice.
Let's fill it up. 3-second rule. Oh, it doesn't look like it's going to fill up at all, is it?
Oh no.
We've got Smarties upstairs as well.
Yeah. That's such a scam.
Right, I found the Smarties, so I'll put the Smarties in and try to fill it up a bit more.
Ooh, that looks yummy. Yummy, yummy.
I don't know if it's possible, but we can't really give it a shake. That's fine. Right. Twist it on. There we go, that's what I'm talking about. There we go. I'll give the peppermint tea a try.
What do you
Oh,
think?
that's really nice. I've got a sore throat as well, so it's really, really good.
It's alright, guys, I'm ill as well.
Family's trying it right now.
Yeah, that's really scrumptious.
And this looks great.
Look at her, she's so cool.
Right, we're back. We're just getting the close cam ready. Emily's actually...
I'm kind of conceal the project of the week, so
here is the close camera. Here it is close up. Should we demonstrate it? Tilt down.
It's not very good quality, the camera.
Yeah, it isn't.
I thought you were about to say the sweet dispenser now, like, excuse me.
You twist it and sweets come out, really.
Purple one.
Let me get rid of the close cam.
Sweets come out, really.
Okay,
So
you
it's
can put it
very.
down.
I thought it was very, very clever. They've used a mason jar in the top to screw in, and it's given us a lot of fun ideas for future projects because, you know, we never thought
about using a
about
jar.
using a mason jar or anything else actually
Yeah.
concealed within a 3D print project.
I really like this 3D print of the week.
What have you
Very
used? What material did you use to 3D
I used
print?
PETG because that's what most drink bottles are used.
Emily said something funny
What did I say?
before.
Oh right, yeah.
What did I say?
So
Boston Pellegrinos.
we pre-recorded this little bit, and I said
Something
a
about
lot of San Pellegrinos are made out of them, and Emily goes, "We're not posh." We had to stop because we just continued
It's just
laughing.
our dad who only doesn't drink. He only drinks bottled water, and he's got a thing. He loves San Pellegrinos. Anyways, moving on.
We're not allowed to try them
that's
because
the
we
same.
don't appreciate them.
PETG is the same sort of material that San Pellegrinos use. Obviously, still we're gonna get some form of microplastics as they pass through, but I don't know. It's like 9 grams of our brain or something.
It's a
A credit card's worth of plastics in our brain.
We've probably got 3 credit cards in our brain of plastic.
Well,
This type of stuff we do.
fair enough.
and you used to chew plastic.
Anyways,
Do you remember? Right,
Anyway,
moving on.
should we go on to project of the week now?
project of the week. So,
Uh,
we've not got a transition. Project of the week.
Yeah.
In the past.
So our project of the week is a build on our annual pumpkin,
Project.
bigger kind of project.
Last year we'd put in last week's live stream we used an LED matrix flame. Do you want to just show? We made an LED matrix flame, really much brought him to life.
Yeah.
And then this week we've added in the eyes. Now if you guys are current subscribers, you'll remember last year we did have some little eyes.
Can I just stop you there and just show the history of the eyes? So it started off with an 8x8 LED display, not matrix. And it looks retro. It's not bad. They look really cool. We'll be making another one.
Cool,
and then we replaced them last year with this LCD display, circular.
Yes,
Looks more like an eye. Now it's just got the code is just a coloured background with kind of a moving pupil, which didn't really look realistic, does it?
He wanted to make it more realistic this year.
I wanted them more creepier.
Project of the week, which is a little bit of an update. Do you want to just roll the clip?
Here it is, by the way.
I don't know if you can see. Maybe if you roll the clip, we can get a closer up of the.
This is what I spoiled earlier. But as you can see, it's a lot more realistic. We've got the pupil looks realistic. That's the main thing.
Yeah.
Now, a bit of a story time about this project. Of course, the flickering flame was last week's project, which keeps falling over.
That includes one of our custom RGB LED matrix displays, a Raspberry Pi Pico, and literally 3 wires. The data pin, which was GP16, I believe.
Yeah.
Ground and power. That's going to be a new kit that we are going to be selling on Etsy.
You can actually buy this part of the project, the flickering flame.
You can.
Flickering
That's a good name,
flame.
Flickering Flame.
It's quite a good name. I'll put it up on the Etsy store. And that's just going to include a Raspberry Pi Pico, three jumper wires, or 3 wires, RGB LED matrix display, and a USB to micro USB connector cable to power it. Anyways, carry on with about our
Can I
project of the week
can I
update.
put the close cam up while you guys try look at it?
Yes.
Just so they've got something else to look at. Sorry about this. Give me a sec. Okay, so if you look here, that's what you're looking at.
Ziva is filming.
Ziva's filming it. So as you can see, it looks really realistic. It looks better in person. The camera's not doing it justice. Now, I had a lot of problems with this. As I said, I'm going to do a bit of a story time. It started off, I'm going to come back to us for a little bit of change in scenery. It started off, you can put it down. It started off with me wanting it fully realistic, so a bloodshot back of the eye white, whatever it's called, with the pupil moving around, and I thought this is going to be great. So I didn't get that working in the end, but when you think about it, it's not really as realistic because the whole eye is a ball together and it moves as one. And if I've got the background image as just a bloodshot eye, the eye white, and the pupils moving, iris and pupils moving, it doesn't look realistic because the back needs to move as well. So I thought I'd scrap that. I'll do what we just saw here, just a plain white with like a ring around the outside to make it more poppy, stand out. That looks better anyway. But I just ran into so many memory errors with the Raspberry Pi Pico. I just wasn't liking it. So that eye is a bitmap, and I'm just moving that bitmap across the screen. And I started off the project with, as I said, the 2 images, the background and then the pupil and iris that actually moves. And it ran into memory errors trying to load both of them up at the same time and moving one. So there was this function in CircuitPython called something like load from disk, something like that. So I loaded the background image because we're not doing anything with it. It can be slow. So I loaded that from disk, and then the iris and pupil was by RAM, and that was fine. Like no memory errors. But it was just so slow. I was like, we can't have this as the project of the week. It's so slow. So I thought, I was just trying so many ways, and it didn't even look good. As I said, it all needs to move as one. It can't just be the pupil and iris moving. So I thought, you know what? We'll just have a
white background,
a whitish background, and we can change the background colour as well.
Yeah.
Which would be cool. Now, also, that was without the flame. I thought, right, time to add the flame. This is easy. The hard work's all done. I'll just plug in the flame.
Because we had the code from last week. It all worked.
It's last week's project. I'll just copy paste the code, plug in the flame. Bob's your uncle. But it wasn't that simple. I plugged in the flame and it all worked. No errors. But it just got so annoyingly slow again. And I was like, can't be having this. So I came up with the conclusion that, should we get the close cam up, guys, again?
What do you want to see?
Just everything all together. Can you try?
Yeah, I'll hold it.
It's quite laggy. It's over Wi-Fi, that's why. When the eye's still, the flame's flickering, and when it moves, the flame stops. I think you can see that happening, yeah? Now that's so then not too much is happening at once, which is very handy. I'm trying to move my mouse.
It's handy with the memory, isn't it? So it doesn't...
Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm trying to control my thing, but Emily's hand was on the iPad, which was moving my mouse from here to the iPad. Anyway, you can put it down now. So that's how I came across, that's how I fixed the slowness. And it doesn't really affect the performance. It's still lighting at the pumpkin, it's not turning off. It's just not flickering when it moves for that half second that it's moving. So it's still pretty cool. He's a Cyclops at the moment. I've not put the other eye in.
If you wanted to purchase the kit of the LED matrix display fiery flame, sorry,
Flickery flame,
flickery flame, you're more than welcome to. It'll be on Etsy, and we only have a limited amount of these LCD screens, and we wanted to do a kit last year.
Yeah.
With these LCD little display modules for the eyes, but we just didn't think the code was good enough. We didn't think it was good enough yet. And then we updated it this year. That's why we tried to do the more realistic eye. Again, we just didn't think it was up to scratch to sell as a project. So if anyone was interested, Code's open source. We can share it with you. We've probably
Yeah,
got only.
I've not uploaded the code right now onto GitHub because it's so messy. But if you're so desperate and you want the code, you want one of these, we can maybe source a few, and I could
we've got a
see
few
if I could
lying around
upload
the
the
house.
code.
We ordered a batch load, so there's a few. Wait, what?
See, was stroking my foot with her. But...
Anyways,
remember, this part of it is a kit that we sell, not the eye.
it's not as complicated. It's only 3 wires, and we also are going to offer
No memory errors with that.
no memory errors, no pausing. We are also going to offer a no solder version as well, with header pins soldered onto your RGB LED matrix display, which is a custom LED matrix display.
Yeah,
designed by us.
designed it, got it manufactured.
And also the specific header pins soldered onto your
We've
Raspberry Pi Pico.
got-
Sorry.
We have got so many of these matrix displays, like loads of these.
Rather large invest.
Oh.
We've also got another project of the week from a long-term supporter, Stroud Birdcam.
Yeah.
And he sent us a picture of it, actually. We'd always tune into his birdcam, their birdcam. And he messaged us saying, "Hi guys, I took the Stroud Birdcam camera out of the bird box this week. Thought you might like to see it. It's a Raspberry Pi 4 with a Raspberry Pi camera V3, wide, no IR, a USB mic, and a couple of infrared LEDs. So I think it's really neatly put together there. It's very quite impressive. And you can also see a little bit of perfboard there as well.
Yeah.
You need to connect. I think you've got LEDs on there.
We've got matching perfboard.
Oh, we
I
do.
just say.
Stroud Birdcam, we've got matching perfboard.
Smaller size.
What was this? What did we have the perfboard for? I think there was a specific project.
It was going to be used for Pico piano, but we never decided to go that path with
Oh
it.
yeah, we etched our own circuit boards. I think we showed that a few weeks ago as
That's
well,
not
like 2 weeks ago, in our weekly videos.
That was embarrassing.
What did you think?
He tried.
Anyway.
He couldn't.
Oh.
I just want to say, I've just realised when I was coming over here that we've not given credits for 3D Print of the Week, so I am just going to give credits to that if I transition back to my screen share. Where are we? Here we are. Let me drag it up, guys. It's by Carl Belcher.
Mm-hmm.
Here it is. It's on printables. We'll give the link in the description.
Mm-hmm.
Simple mason jar candy machine. There we go. That's all I have to say. I just wanted to give credits.
It was so much fun. It was very cool. I didn't have much to do with this.
There's something to go on our desk as well.
And when Caleb showed it to
gone
me, I
so
thought,
much.
it's gone down because
Yum,
Zeva
yum.
keeps stealing his sweets in between breaks. But I thought that was a really, really clever idea to use the mason jar.
Yeah.
Carrying on with project of the week, Stroud Birdcam. Hopefully we will be tuning in live when he puts his live stream back up. But he says that during the winter months.
I just couldn't remember and you fell off your chair.
I fell off my chair earlier, guys.
No, you fell off the chair.
They're watching.
Hopefully we can tune in again to Stroud Birdcam's little live stream. It was lovely to tune in when we did our live streams to see the little birds. There was eggs, there was
We've watched the
hatching.
journey of those birds, haven't we,
It
really?
was very, very sweet. But I think he takes it off live for the winter months. they
Yeah, that
said.
makes sense. So it doesn't get wet,
And
freeze.
destroyed in the winter weather. But moving on to the next section, which is
Vintage game, which
No, moment of the week.
moment of the
Moment of
week.
the week.
We forgot about that. Yeah, we've got moment of the week, which is a little bit about us, and then
Vintage gaming
Yeah.
section.
vintage gaming section where we do Nemesis. So stay tuned for that. That is coming up really shortly.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do moment of the week. Okay.
So Ziva, should we start with Ziva?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's your moment of the week?
I'm going to be
And
really...
if you have any moments of the week, do let us know.
It got me off. But I did the school cross country and I got through to the next round, which I'll eventually be running for my county against the other counties. All
Should we
throughout
just show the
country.
props?
Yeah,
Show
and
the
these
props.
are the qualifying shoes.
Oh god, I've got spikes on my iPad. Right,
Uh,
a sec. There we go. Here are her spikes that she ran in.
So this is the bad shoe. The shoe with the track on. Then my
Oh,
track.
you've actually got a part of the track.
Yeah, and
molded
that's
to your
a track
shoe.
spike that did not come out. I just
right.
couldn't get it out. I was stressing out the night.
You can see the size difference, yeah. That's cross country and that's track.
Yeah,
Those look deadly.
they are. They're quite painful. I've been spiking.
She's also got holes in the side of her shoes here.
Yeah, and here.
Really,
We got to get the most out of
So,
them.
what was this race? Should we just explain the race?
So
Let me turn this off,
get
guys.
through, like, you're around where you are.
Yeah.
You get through, and then I think you eventually get through to run for your county.
So, you've got to. Have you got to?
I've got
Got to come top 8th, and I assume you did come top 8th.
Yeah, you could come
to get
top
through.
12th, but the next 4 do another round,
Oh,
which
right.
is like a race that I don't have to do. I can do it, but
racing in nationals, isn't it? So
Yeah.
you've got through to nationals, right?
So that's competing for the fastest in your country, isn't it?
yeah.
So we live in England. So that's in all of
I
England.
think it's England Island that we're that
there
it is for.
There is definitely, when I did the races, there was definitely people from places
Yeah.
not just in England.
Anyway.
So that's pretty impressive. You've come top 8th and qualified for that. That's pretty cool.
Let's move on, guys.
Yeah.
Um,
Let's do Amelie first.
Yeah, me.
Emily, what's your moment of the week?
Oh, it makes me sound quite mean, actually. It's just-
What is it, Emily? What's your round of the week?
It's to do with driving. Caleb is golden boy in the car. Golden boy with my parents. And she spiked herself.
Should we put the spikes down?
My mother came in the car with us because the first time she came in, it was terrifying for her. We were
And me.
zipping round corners. It was the beginning of our driving.
Let me just say, I had
she-
to get out the car.
She had
I
to get
asked
out
to
the
get
car.
out the car.
And we've progressed a lot more now. My dad goes, you'll be fine. They're really quite competent now.
Also,
And
Confident.
our dad is teaching them, so they've not got like the
Oh yeah.
pedals.
oh yeah,
They've not got dual pedals. It's just.
it's just
hope,
my dad's.
Hope you don't speed into a car.
Yeah.
Kill us all.
Yeah. He's got a lot of trust in us. But anyways, my mum came in and Caleb's the golden boy, amazing star performer, and he stalls. And I had probably the most perfect drive I've had in whatever.
It was smooth, very smooth. I do have to
you.
give credit to you there because I'm a nice person.
Sorry,
very good
that's
performance.
making me feel really bad now.
And what did
But yeah, that was my moment of the week because it was a little successful.
The moment of the week is me stalling.
Yeah.
What was your question?
Your moment of the week is him stalling.
Oh, yeah. I've really stretched that out longer than it had to be. But Caleb, what's your moment of the week?
My moment of the week kind of molds into the next section, retro game, because I was playing Nemesis. I was getting some practice because it's quite a lot harder when we play it on the ZX Spectrum than it is on the arcade, which you'll see both on the arcade machine and the ZX Spectrum in about 1 minute. I'll be brief. So it was just more of a learn to play it so you don't bore our audience. And then, because obviously we're following a pattern of kind of my dad's kind of history of games and like retro tech.
So we did the first sort of program coded by his grandparents.
Yeah.
No, our grandparents.
Oh,
his
yes.
parents.
Our grandparents, and then Ziva wrote the exact same program on the ZX Spectrum, and I think that's probably the same code written 40 years apart, isn't it? That was the first piece of code run on my dad's ZX Spectrum. Then we played a few of the games.
Yeah, I know Pyramid we played, and that he told us the story, and we kind of shared the story of it being a whole community event, everybody sitting around wanting to see what's next in the pyramid, the best player at the front, and everybody just supporting them.
Yeah.
So anyway, he's played all these games, and he's got fond memories of playing all these games, and I was just doing it more of a task to learn it, be good at the game, which I'm still not. I think you guys will be disappointed in me, but hey.
Okay, you did your best, honey.
Yeah, I think I can make it to the final boss and kill it. Anyway, so I'm asking him for tips, and we're sat on the bed together on my laptop, and he's showing me his tactics, and I'm showing him what I'm thinking, and it's just like a bonding experience. You're playing the same game,
I was a witness.
like mates, but he was doing it 40, 50 years ago.
Yeah.
And I'm doing it now in 2025. It's crazy.
All I can hear is like the beeping. It's like dee dee dee.
Anyway, that kind of moves us swiftly on to retro game. So shall I?
More vintage game, wasn't it? Vintage game. And so should we move on to watching
Yeah.
you
So
play?
last week if you tuned in for this. If not, go watch last week. A lot of cool content on there. We played the same retro game, but on the games machine downstairs. And it was a dire performance, wasn't it? I didn't understand the game. I only got the hang of it at the
We
end.
didn't even realise about the power-ups in the beginning.
Yeah.
Which is a very, very key component of the game.
So I promised you guys that I'd reach the final boss and I'd kill him. So I thought in this live stream I'll show you guys me attempt number 2 of the game.
Arcade machine downstairs.
So let's give that a watch. So I've taken the glass off the top just to get rid of
glare
the
was terrible.
Yeah, so I'm playing again. I've got to the final boss before, not on camera, but I'm gonna kill it this time. Oh, I crashed into the floor.
Silly. Oh no, a monster dispenser.
Okay, this is a checkpoint here, I'm pretty sure.
So every time he gets killed, he's going to respawn there, I think.
Somewhere here. Yeah. Come on, Caleb. No! Right, that's fine, I'm only here. Okay, good. Right, I've killed the lasers that were shooting me there. And just come over.
Slither through there.
Avoid these for now. Avoid. Okay, now I need to dodge the things that come out the ground.
It's volcanoes, aren't they, that explode? But it's like popcorn. Is that popcorn coming out of the volcanoes?
Yeah, but if it hits me, I do die. And it's harder to control when you're faster. Because you're... Okay, right, here we go. Mr. Big. He killed me immediately. And we're back here.
So, as you can imagine, if you are playing the game on an arcade, you're having to put in so much money.
I think my dad said it was about 20p.
So that's probably £1 equivalent nowadays.
And him and his friends would all gather at the arcade, watch other people play, see what's on the next levels and everything. But we have unlimited credits on that machine downstairs.
I probably spent up to £10 in one sitting equivalent, but obviously, as you say, we've got unlimited credits because it's our machine at home.
Exactly, which we were so glad that we didn't have to go to an arcade, otherwise we'd wasted a lot of money. What we're about to show you is the conversion for the ZX Spectrum, which I guess if you have grown up playing these games on arcade machines, the fact that you could buy these and play them straight on your computer at home.
And have unlimited goes.
Even though I know it would be a slightly different game since they are conversions.
And I feel like it's quite a lot harder, as you'll see me try in a sec.
Yes. I just think that'd be probably a very, very exciting experience. I'd buy it straight away.
Yeah.
Should we have a little...
So we'll go and have a look at the conversion. I'm going to screen share. Now, I'm on our Gurgleapps website, and if you want to go on the ZX Spectrum, I know it's cut off a bit, there's a burger menu at the top.
And we've got a ZX Spectrum emulator.
So you can go here, Tools, ZX Spectrum Emulator. This is JS Specky's ZX Spectrum Emulator. I'm just finding the game right now. So I'll link the his GitHub in the description. Give credit where credit's due. What's it called? Nemesis.
Well, and in I think it was originally released in Japan, isn't it, as Gradius.
Yeah.
By Konami. So.
Right, it's gonna be hard.
1985, I believe. So that's.
Yeah. I'm going to redefine my keys to what I'm used to playing in. Left. I'm gonna do D, G, R, F. Fire, I'm going to do space, and select, I'll do M. So I can move with my left hand and fire with my right hand, which is what I'm used to doing.
Quite cool.
So let's begin. Let's see what we got.
See what turns up.
Right. Let me turn my volume down. Shoot
What
that.
I was hearing yesterday.
Now, me and my dad had different tactics. Dad seemed to get speed, which I'm not going to get, and speed again, and then he liked the missile, and then you'd get the laser. But I like the force field, because then I don't die so quickly. Because the bullets hit the force field, not me. So I'm going to get that. So I've got 2 more power-ups to get. You kill all these things in a row, and you get a power-up, for those unfamiliar with the game. Where you get a thing that gives you an option to do a power-up. Here's the last one. There we go. Now I press M, and now I've got my shield. That's what the question mark meant, by the way. I'm probably going to get double as my next one, so I shoot double bullet. No. Yeah, I'm going to get double. So I press M now. Look, I shoot 2 now.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Oh, God. Thank God I had my shield. Oh, come back. Come back. There we go. I could pick speed, but I don't really... I don't work as well when it's fast at this early on stage. I just lose control of it. So now I shoot this guy, go behind this guy, shoot him, get that, go up here, shoot him. I think I'm more of...
Someone on the ceiling.
There you go, kill these guys, green guys. Oh no, they just went into my force field. Go behind him, shoot him, get the power up.
What is it?
Oh, I died. And now, the annoying thing about this is on the arcade machine you'd respawn somewhere else. Here you don't. And I only get 2 waves of these to get 2 power-ups, which is nothing. At the start you saw I got loads of waves of these, I only get 2 now. So I'm just going to select missile, you see what that does, it drops a missile down below. But I've got less to use now. So I wait for the alien things to come and get me. The spaceship, sorry. The guy comes underneath, I go down, shoot him, go forward, shoot the guys that are coming up. Damn it, I crashed into that spaceship
What are the blue
thing.
things on the top?
Now the good thing about this is if I start game, we edited JSpecky's Spectrum emulator so you can actually save your progress and then you can load it in again. So there's no checkpoints, but I can manually save, and then I can, when I die,
so
I can load in at the point that I died with all my power-ups, everything.
Wow.
So I'm going to see how far I can get, but I'm probably going to, once I've got all these, so I want the question mark so I can get a force field. Come on. Okay, and then I'll get my last 2, because I don't want to go through this wave every single time I die. Obviously we probably could have found a way to do this, but you couldn't go into, because it's not an emulator, is it, back in the day, so you couldn't quite do what I'm about to do. Oh no, didn't realise there was another load. Oh, come here. It's alright, I'm focusing on speaking and I didn't... Right, so we're about to enter the spaceship place, where I start, the real game begins. So I'm going to pause here, and then I'm just going to inspect, and I believe it's save snapshot. Is that a save snapshot? Okay, so if I die, I can respawn back here. Let's get rid of this. I'll just close it in for a bit. Right. Let's unpause. Okay. Oh, I killed both of them with my double. Go there, get that. Go up here, he shoots behind, and then I shoot him. Then we shoot all these guys. Nope, they just went into my shield. Oh, I died. It's okay, it's okay. I'll pause it, and I'll actually go, scroll up, and I'll go File, Open, Snapshot, Z80, boom, and look at that, guys.
You can keep going.
I can just continue from where I was. Okay guys, so I am back. I've got quite far. I've got my shields, and I did my little cheat, and I've actually got this little thing following me that also shoots. I don't know what it's called.
A satellite or something like that.
Yeah, it's like a satellite type thing, yeah.
And it mimics all of his movements.
Oh, I died. Okay, so this is about where I died. I also got a laser now. I've upgraded with a laser which shoots everything. And it's quite handy with this satellite thing because it also shoots a laser. Dodge that bullet, go up. Oh, I died. Okay, so we're about where we left off. Now I've picked up a laser, which is super handy. Sorry, I'm not speaking much. Oh my god, 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 okay. We're near the end,
He kept getting attacked by those jumpy things, that's why...
Okay, we're near the end.
Quiet.
Okay, this is the volcano thing that Emily was on about. The volcano popcorn thing.
Oh, but this time it's not popcorn, it's bubbles or something like that.
It's like
So I'm just going to stand here and shoot loads. As you can tell, this is quite a big cheat of me. You couldn't do this back in the day. It's so hard for me. I think level 1 of the more modern games aren't as taxing as this. And Okay, looks like it stopped, so am I gonna go, or... we gonna go?
We're expecting the final boss to appear, right?
Yeah, any second now. Oh, we're moving.
Oh.
So this, as you can tell, it's a conversion, it's not the exact same. Final boss, here you are.
Oh,
Go
gosh.
down. I
Oh,
died!
no.
Okay guys, attempt 2 of defeating the final boss. Level 1 final boss.
Let's see. It's only level 1. Oh.
Go down, go up.
Shoot him, shoot him.
Come on. Come on. Oh, I defeated
Oh my
him!
goodness, that was so much quicker than on the
Oh.
arcade machine.
It's because I've got so many power-ups, I think. Let's see how far in level 2 I can get. Probably not far. I'm just going to keep shooting. I've never got this far in my life. Come on. I think these green things are like the bubbles at the start, maybe. You want to get through them all and then you can start the real hard bit. Okay, this looks hard. Oh my god.
goodness.
Oh, I've lost like everything. I crashed. No spatial awareness. That's not good for driving, is it?
No.
Anyway, let's come back to us. Hope you enjoyed that. Now with that reminded me of the load and save feature. If you use it on our website, you can use the save feature. It's something that we added in or fixed. So if you guys want to play these retro games, I know we did Pyramid a few live streams ago.
Yeah, 2 live streams ago.
If you get to a cool level or a bottom level, save it for us, and then you send it to us.
Oh, we can continue from that spot.
Yeah. So if you get somewhere really good for us, and then we can continue like we got there.
You guys can be our cheat code to vintage game success.
Maybe you could get us at end of level 2 boss on here, because I don't think I'll be getting there anytime soon. So you could just, I think it's mu.savesnapshot in the console, and send it to us. Yeah?
Please, please, please.
That would be super fun.
Super duper.
And you could send us
useful.
maybe your own games. You could save a snapshot of your own games that we can load onto the emulator if it's not there. So if you enjoyed this episode, make sure to watch our previous ones if you haven't already, and also watch next week's one coming out same time Monday. There's a lot in store for next week. So coming up, we've got obviously, you saw the pumpkins around us.
Wonder what they were for.
Yeah, wonder where we are in this picture with this video with loads of wheelbarrows.
What are they collecting?
So we've got our retro game section.
Yeah.
Project of the week, something exciting. We've got our 3D print of the week. What else have we got?
All the usual fun.
Yep.
Hopefully.
Fun and laughter.
Yes. And then you can figure out what we were doing in this video. Unfortunately, I was not there. I was at work.
There's a lot of fun coming on next week. As you can see, we're entering into the pumpkin patch place. Now, a little
Please do
spoiler there.
like and
Yes,
subscribe.
I'm
Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss next week's video. And we really appreciate all the support. And purchase from our Etsy store, Word Clock, all of our products. What are you doing in that field? And our little fiery flame will be available to purchase on our Etsy store as well. I think that's everything.
Yeah, that's everything, yeah. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Have a good day. Bye bye.